Every sprawling metropolis harbors a hidden narrative of constant, radical reinvention. Entire city blocks vanish and reappear, reshaping countless lives with astonishing speed. Beneath the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, a silent metamorphosis unfolds daily. Cities are living entities, perpetually shedding old skin and growing new structures. This relentless evolution impacts millions, often unnoticed by its daily inhabitants. From forgotten alleyways to vibrant new districts, every corner tells a shifting story. These transformations aren't just about buildings, they profoundly alter human experiences. Understanding this urban ballet reveals the very pulse of modern civilization. Imagine a single, forgotten textile factory slowly decaying on the city's industrial edge. For decades, it stood dormant, a skeletal reminder of past manufacturing glory. Local residents walked past, barely noticing its crumbling brick facade anymore. Graffiti artists claimed its forgotten walls, adding layers of unauthorized, vibrant urban art. Then, a quiet proposal emerged, promising dramatic community revitalization for the area. This wasn't merely a demolition. It envisioned a completely different urban landscape. Public meetings were held, sparking intense debates about the district's future direction. Citizens discussed preserving history versus embracing aggressive, modern development. But the chosen path took an unexpected turn, defying simple renovation plans. Suddenly, cranes arrived, not to tear down, but to carefully dismantle and repurpose elements. Architects envisioned open-plan lofts, art studios, and collaborative workspaces inside. They integrated existing industrial beams into sleek, contemporary interior designs. Community gardens replaced vast, desolate parking lots, fostering new green public spaces. Old factory machinery became artistic installations, preserving a tangible piece of history. These striking public art pieces attracted curious visitors from across the entire city. Small, independent coffee shops and artisanal bakeries began populating the ground floor. Boutiques selling handcrafted goods soon joined them, creating a unique retail experience. Vibrant murals now adorned once blank walls, reflecting the neighborhood's artistic spirit. Yet these impressive physical changes were just the beginning. The real shift was brewing. People from diverse backgrounds started moving into these newly vibrant apartments. Young professionals, artists, and entrepreneurs flocked to the area for its creative energy. The neighborhood's demographic shifted, bringing a fresh wave of cultural perspectives. Traditions offering mingled within the international revitalized community spaces.
Local businesses flourished, catering to the new residents' varied demands and desires. Specialized grocery stores opened, offering international ingredients and gourmet foods.
Public parks and squares teemed with life, hosting outdoor concerts and bustling farmers' markets. Children played freely in renovated playgrounds, their laughter echoing through the streets. The district transformed from a forgotten industrial zone into a sought-after urban destination. But this rapid growth brought unforeseen challenges, testing the community's resilience significantly. Property values soared dramatically, creating wealth for some but raising accessibility concerns. Long-term residents faced the challenge of adjusting to their rapidly changing surroundings. Some felt priced out of their original homes, struggling with increased living expenses. Discussions arose about gentrification and how to balance progress with existing community needs. City planners initiated programs to support affordable housing and assist long-time residents. Efforts were made to integrate the new and old communities, fostering mutual understanding. Public art projects were commissioned, celebrating the neighborhood's rich, diverse history. Local festivals began showcasing traditions from both established and newer populations. These careful interventions aimed to preserve the area's unique character amidst rapid growth. The urban fabric continued to evolve, a dynamic tapestry woven with countless individual choices. Every empty lot represented a future possibility, a space for the next wave of transformation. The cycle of decay and rebirth perpetually shapes the very soul of every vibrant city. This ongoing narrative demonstrates the profound resilience inherent in urban populations. Understanding these shifts offers critical insights into the future of our urbanized world. Understanding these shifts offers critical insights into the future of our urbanized world. And the transformation continues today, reshaping lives in ways still unfolding. Every city corner whispers tales of past and future, awaiting rediscovery by keen eyes. The constant reinvention defines the captivating essence of modern metropolitan existence. These stories remind us that cities are never truly finished, always becoming something new. They are dynamic canvases where human ambition paints an ever-changing masterpiece. The evolution is relentless, promising new chapters for every street and every building. We are all participants in this grand urban drama, contributing to its ongoing narrative. This transformation breathed new economic life into a previously stagnant urban zone. It cultivated a profound sense of shared community identity among its diverse inhabitants. Property values soared, raising critical questions of newcomers' accessibility. Long-term residents face the challenge of adjusting to their rapidly changing surroundings. Raising critical questions of newcomers' accessibility discovered a vibrant, dynamic place to forge their own urban narratives. These shifts underscore the complex interplay between progress and preservation in cities. Every revitalized district represents countless individual stories of adaptation and change. Ultimately, urban renewal reflects humanity's continuous quest for better living spaces. The ever-evolving urban landscape offers endless fascinating stories of profound transformation. If you found this exploration compelling, subscribe for more incredible narratives like this. Also, share your own city transformation stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear them.